Hi guys, welcome to Boatech's Education Zone. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the Deriv Traders Hub. In today's video we will explain the process of how to register and log into Deriv Traders Hub. We're going to explain the verification process and how it works, how deposits and withdrawals works, how to open live trading accounts, how to open demo trading accounts, how to transfer money into your trading account after the deposit, how to reset your demo account and top it up to $10,000 again, and how to open a Deriv X demo account for basic analysis. After this video, you should be able to navigate around Deriv Traders Hub and get that trading account running as soon as possible. So the first thing we're going to have a look at is how to open an account with Deriv, or basically get registered. So the first thing you want to do is go to deriv.com. Deriv.com will open a website where you will have an option to open an account. So once you have clicked on open an account, it will take you to a page where you just have to fill in your email address to create the account. You can also use the buttons below to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple if you prefer that way instead. For now, we're just gonna do a simple email address over here. And we're gonna create an account. You will receive a email verification link once the account has been created, which you will need to follow to set up your password. Once you have received your email, there will be a button to verify your mail address. Once you click that button, a new window will open, starting with the registration process. So our country of residence will stay South Africa. Our citizenship is South Africa. Here you will choose a password for your Traders Hub. Please don't get confused because this is only a Traders Hub password and will not be used for trading. So you will not be able to sign into MetaTrader with this password. You're going to choose a new one later on. So for this, we are just going to choose a simple or a basic password for now. But I suggest you follow these rules and make sure this password is relatively strong, as anybody with this password have access to this account and access to your funds in Deriv. You can create this password and let's just wait for it to load real quick. Here you will be able to choose your currency which you want to trade in. We all at Boatech, we trade in US dollars and USD. Here you will need to enter all of your information. I'm gonna add, I already have a Deriv account, so it might throw me out, but let's see what it does. We are just gonna put the relative information in here, and we're gonna put our number and just change the last digit because otherwise it's going to pick up that I have one. And here you can just choose income earning, which is fine. Employments, you can fill this in however you want. You don't have to fill in the tax number right away, but I do strongly suggest you do. Here you can put your address in whichever you want. You can just put just 123 Street, and we can just put here Johannesburg, and this is Gauteng, and we'll just put 145. No, wonderful. So over here is basically just a risk warning from the Deriv. We are going to accept all of these. So it's picking up that my account already exists. In your case, this will not happen, so you don't have to worry that will ever happen to you. Once you have created your account, you will be logged in straight into the Deriv Traders Hub. You will see that you're currently on a demo, and the link for this is app.deriv.com. If you want to go over to your real account, all you have to do is click on this little button over here and click on real. Basically what it will do is going to ask you to create a real account again. So we're going to go US dollar, and we're going to put, this will require your ID number. if you put your ID number in, it's going to link us to the other account that's already linked, meaning I already have an account, so it will not allow me to create another one. That then the next thing you're going to probably have to do is do a verification process. So if you are in the Traders Hub, you can click on your little profile here at the top right, and you will see there's verification. There you will need to submit a copy of your ID document and a copy of your address. The other two is not needed. It's only these two that are needed. So just make sure you have a proof of residence and a copy of your ID on the front and the back. They do require both. Once the account is verified, we can quickly hop into how to create a standard CFD account for your live trading account. And then we can also do that for the demo, and we can also look at the Deriv X. Okay, let's take a deep dive into deposits and withdrawals real quick. With regards to deposits, if you just created your account, you will see here is the total amount inside of your Deriv currently. Please note that this amount over here indicates basically inside of the Deriv and not inside of your trading account. Your trading account balance will be over here under your SVG account, which we will be opening soon. So with regards to deposits, after you have done your verification process, otherwise you will not be able to deposit, you have to go and click on deposit over here. So there is many different ways to deposit into the Deriv. But there's one very important thing to remember. Once you deposit using a certain payment gateway, you will only be allowed to withdraw via that same payment gateway. So let's say, for instance, I use Skrill for a deposit. I will only be able to withdraw via Skrill then. I will not be able to withdraw via any other payment gateway. So if I use Skrill to deposit, I will not be able to use Netseller for withdrawal. We always suggest you use either Oswald or Skrill. Skrill, you need an account with Skrill to do deposits and withdrawals. Oswald is a direct, or Ozo is direct. So most of us use Ozo to do withdrawals and deposits, and I would highly recommend you use this. I do not recommend you use a direct credit debit card for deposits because you are not able to withdraw from the Deriv with this option. So do not use this. If you want to do a deposit via Ozo, you can just click on Ozo now, and basically it will ask you for the stuff it needs, and you can just follow the payment process via Ozo. You can put in all of the relative information over here, or you can go to Skrill. Basically, how Skrill works is if you have a Skrill account, you can just go to skrill.com and open an account with them. It's free of charge, and deposit your money into Skrill basically, and then from the Deriv you go to Skrill and you choose your amount. It will ask you here to link your Skrill account. Basically, if you choose it for the very first time, you link your Skrill account, you sign into it, and you choose the money you want to transfer, and you press next, and it will automatically transfer the money from Skrill over to Deriv. Withdrawals, it's exactly the same. How withdrawals work is once you click on withdrawal, it will send you an email request saying that you need to verify first before you are allowed to withdraw. So on the withdrawal now, you should see, as you can see, I've only used Ozo and Skrill to make deposits. So I have the two different ways where I can withdraw. So I cannot use anything else because I did not do a deposit via that. You have to deposit first, and then you can withdraw with that payment gateway. Both of them are very quick. You can use both of them. I highly suggest you use one of these two. Do not use the others. They are slower. The fees are more. Go with these two. They are the best. All right, let's move on. Next thing we're going to have a look at is how to open the Deriv MetaTrader accounts. Basically, you have to make sure there's a couple of things you have to make sure before doing that. First thing you have to do is you have to make sure you are on the real account here at the top, not on demo, on real. Second thing you have to do is make sure you have a balance. So you must have make a deposit. Even if it's just $10, it's fine. Just make a deposit. Then over here, you will see mine is already open. So basically you will get basically the same. It will say get next to standard. So what you want to do on the standard account, you want to click on get. So what it will do, I'm just going to do it on a zero spread account for now. So over here, you will have to choose a new password. You will not get this block because I already have a password set up for MT5. Here you will get a new, you will set a new password for your MetaTrader 5. This password will be used when we sign and link our account to MetaTrader 5 in the application. So what you can do is I'm just going to put my password over here. So once it is done, it will look like this. So now we are set and ready to go with an account. The next thing we want to do is transfer funds into that account. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the transfer button. It will bring up a little box like this. It will show you your balance, where you are transferring from, and it will show you your MetaTrader 5 account where you're transferring to. So we're going to say 80.33 because that's my balance that I have in my account. And we're going to say transfer. Now my account is funded in MetaTrader 5. You will see your balance is 0 now over here because there's no funds laying with the Deriv, but rather in the MetaTrader 5 account. You will see here the assets is also 80.33. That is the total assets spread across all of my accounts that I have. Okay, next we're going to have a look at how the demo account works. So how to set up a demo account is pretty much the same process. So at the top here on your Traders Hub, you're going to change over to demo. You will see under CFDs, your demo account setup will be here. So you will see I already have a standard Deriv MT5 account, which is already set up as a demo. So for now, I'm just going to do the zero spread one, but I would highly suggest just you use the standard one. So we're going to go on get. And over on this password, we're going to select the same password we entered when we created our live account. So this will be your MetaTrader 5 password. So the same one you used on when you created the live account before we did the transfer of the funds into the Deriv account. So I'm just going to enter my password over here. And we're going to click add account. Automatically your account will be funded with 10,000 USD. If it comes to a point where you maybe took some big trades and you below this 10,000 USD, all you have to do is click on the top up button. This will basically set your account back to $1,000 or $10,000. But just keep in mind, you can top up your demo account only if your balance is $1,000 or less. So once it goes below 1,000, you can top it up back to 10,000. And that is basically when it comes to demo accounts. There's not much to them, but you can use them and they help you so much. With regards to Deriv X, we only use Deriv X on our demo accounts. So with the Deriv X, you will see here at the bottom, there will be an option here to get one. It's basically exactly the same process. You're gonna click on get. You're gonna enter that password for the MT5 that you have been using, and your Deriv X account will be set up with a $10,000 balance. That is, we only use that for analysis. We do not trade on Deriv X at all. The reason for that is the demo account includes all of the new indices like Crash 600, Crash 900. Whether live, if you open a Deriv X under live, you will not have those indices, which means you cannot trade them. So that's basically it when it comes to demo. I believe that concludes the Traders Hub video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of the Boatech admins. You can contact Francois, Andre, or Jason for any help or assistance needed. What you can alternatively do is you can also just ask on the chat group. Most of the guys on there know their way around the Traders Hub and they can assist you. But if you feel like you want to message an admin instead, you can just go ahead and do so. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something.